Let's take a walk around the property. These tomatoes are looking really sad. And my one tomato on this plant, one pepper. We are gonna head there into that magical part of the forest, and then we're gonna go all along the creek. We're almost to that area, which every time I look at it, looks like fairies for sure live there. So let's go check it out. What is that? They're so cute. We made it. It's so pretty out here. We're now out of the woods, and I always feel really nervous going in there because I never know if there's going to be any copperhead snakes, so I don't go in there very often. But I'm trying to conquer a fear, and I'm just very visually aware of where I'm stepping, what's going on around me, and I'm just trying to connect with the space more, be more in touch with nature, baby. Hopefully one day we will have a big garden out here. I can't wait. This is my favorite part of the property. Can you hear why? Minus the cars. We got a creek. I love this time of day, and I think this would be such a pretty spot for a photo shoot. Wow.
Who are you?
Still some forget-me-nots that are blooming. This is the first time I've ever gone like foraging, I think, for rocks. And I wasn't even like expecting to do that. So I found lots of quartz. Red. Can't really tell. This one looks like a quartz for sure. All of these are quartz. Dirty quartz, clean quartz. It was so fun to just explore. Thanks for coming along with me.